Horses out, the blast has in, jumps for the year led. Delgaro is running by Drella, then followed by Blue Shake, and on the outside has Magic and Live in Manila. Delgaro, the leader by a length and a half. Last has him in second, 4 lengths away in third, Blue Shake, Live in Manila. Now by Drella and followed by Has Magica. They swing into the back. Delgaro by about 3 lengths. Last seems still in second. 5 lengths away in third. Blue Shake. Has Magic Live in Manila down on the inside. Meanwhile, we have Delgaro by only 3/4 of a length. Last him now moving up on the outside. Last him takes the lead now by about half length. Down on the inside is Delgaro. Live in Manila now trying to get closer in third. Then followed by Blue Shake and Has Magic. Last him by about 2 lengths. Live in Manila is on the outside second. Blue Shake now racing into the last. They come down at the last 150. And that's their last. Hazim by about 2 lengths. Live in Manila in second, and on the outside third, Blue Shake. But it's still last. Hazim by about 4 lengths now. Over Live in Manila, Blue Shake. And nearing the finish line, it's last. Hazim, Live in Manila, Blue Shake, Has Magic, and Delgaro.
Maganda to.
Ito na yung kasagutan.
Ganda to.
Sinabi naman natin, sasagutin natin yan.
Yes.